Today, we'll explore the four key theories of language acquisition. Ever wondered how children speak so effortlessly, or what makes human language so unique? Well, children learn to speak at the age of 5. What is language acquisition? Language acquisition is the process by which humans develop the ability to understand, perceive, and use language, focusing on behaviorism, nativism, cognitive, and social interactionist perspective. Behaviorism theory. E.F. Skinner behaviorism theory explained that learning occurs through operational conditioning when behavior are strengthened by reinforcement rewards and weakened by punishment. Okay, good job class. You have a very good presentation. You did very well. So now I will give you 100% of your performance task. Oh, thank you, teacher. I'm very motivating to do some good homework. Alex, please stop talking out of turn. It disrupts the class and prevents others from learning. Oh, I'm very sorry, teacher. Excited, but we need to follow classroom rules. For now, you lose 5 points in your participation grade.
Nativism is like having a built-in language learning tool in your brain from birth.
5, 6, 7. Si Nena ay baby pa. Ang sabi niya ay... Si Nena ay high school na. Ang sabi niya ay... tayo. Nena ay dalaga na. Ang sabi niya ay...
The use of English words demonstrate the adaptability of the innate language.
Social interactionist theory says that we learn best by interacting with others who are more knowledgeable, like a teacher or a friend who can help us learn new things.
Tapos kanilo bong no?
Yan, naunsa mo po ka?
Then tangan ko ni Jen, di gayon niya. Ako ikwan pa sa kandila ni Mama.
Yeah.
Dahil di Cindy daw.
Dali kayo yab dong?
Ano ko yab?
Pila man?
Dahil na ako din.
Pila ka buhok? Pila ka buhok yab ni mo?
Dua. Kani.
Asa ba?
Kani babay.
Rayon?
Wala naman ito si Angel.
Niya gwapa si Angel, no?
Tapos tas kay book baga tuwanak ba?
Ano sa mo nagkauya ba to?
Bambot na. Kato dug. Nana mo ko dugay mo to na mo. Sa bata mi mo.
Wala man.
Ay, nagkaligo ba yun?
Hmm?
Nagkaligo yung buwayo.
Wala magkawayan ko. Di ka na mo, wala man.
Sino ka katawa?
Sige, dito mo katawa. Dito mo katawa.
Tawa man eh.
Wala mo, di katawa.
Cognitive development theory says language development is a natural outcome of children's mental growth and understanding of the world.
H. Ito sa H?
Para na sila yan, no?
Ito sa H? Tayo. Parisig A.
Wah!
Ito sa
Wah!
H. Di ay.
Wah!
Ito sa H.
Sa...
Okay, parisig A. Ha.
Ah!
Okay, sini.
Tan!
Kani.
Skate!
Kani, si panganan eh.
Pupil!
Kani, si nganan eh.
Basta ko nun.
Sa kani nganan eh.
Skate!
Kani.
Sir!